Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the problem: sound, mic, or physical break. Power off and remove any batteries or paired devices, then open one ear cup using a spudger where seams allow. Be gentle to avoid clips. Once done, visually trace the cable and connector to the PCB. You want to see if wires are torn or the jack is loose. Make sure to keep screws organized and take photos as you go so reassembly matches the original layout and orientation. Now you diagnose electrical faults. Probe each driver lead with a multimeter for continuity and resistance. A dead driver reads open while a healthy one shows low ohms. If a solder joint is cracked, reflow with a hot iron and add flux. This restores contact without replacing components. For cable breaks near the strain relief, cut back to solid wire, tin strands, and splice or solder to the jack or PCB. Make sure to secure joints with heat. Finish by reassembling and testing progressively. Connect drivers, close the ear cup just enough to test stereo balance and mic clarity, then fully secure the shell. If you still hear crackling or intermittent sound, swap the cable or jack next. Apply electronic contact cleaner to the jack and any mechanical switches, then retest. Make sure Bluetooth pairing and battery function work if present. If faults remain after these steps, replace the driver or main PCB. The tester's logs will tell you which component to order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.